So I've got this here triangle tattoo on my right shoulder, and I also want a tattoo on my left shoulder in a very similar style. I want the two to be different but to match really well, and I'm going about it in the most nerdy way possible. So first, I'm in Blender, a 3D modeling program, and I had previously used this to come up with my first tattoo. I designed the whole thing myself. And this over here, the slingshot sort of thing, is what I'm thinking about right now for my right shoulder. I kind of got to tweak it a bit. But one thing I really want is I want the surface area of the two to be the same. So the same amount of ink goes into each one, because then I think they would balance really well to do that. But that's really hard to do, because even though the triangle is a really simple shape and the math is not bad to figure out the surface area, the right side is a lot harder, and then as I'm manipulating it, I don't want to constantly have to stop to do like 20 math equations to figure that out. So I wrote some code to do that for me, and it's actually like strangely optimized. It's crazy. We're in Unity, but basically what you do is you have to make sure that these are different colors and that the background is a different color. So I just save this image to my desktop, and I point to it here, and I provide what the two colors are, and then I just run this thing. Bam! All right, so now I know that the right side, the slingshot, is taking more than... Did I get that right? I think I did. Yes, okay, there we go. The slingshot is smaller, because with all these pixels, it's only filling out this much, 89.6% of the triangle, right? But it also works the other way around. So if I stop and I go here, and I just take away a whole lot of that and save. Go back to Unity and run it again. See now, this is too big. So it's telling me all this space only fits into this much slingshot, and I've got to remove this much. So, yep, lesson learned. I'm a huge nerd, but it should make me a cool looking nerd pretty soon.